Hello, David Bradley from the pet room here. I'm going to remove this 6520 chip. Don't worry, the machine is off. I double checked. This 6520 chip. And swap them. Very carefully, very gingerly. Don't want to bend any pins. Don't want to cause any trouble. Let's just check the pins. They seem okay. A little bend to the end pins. Sometimes just get a little tweak on them. Just a little tweak. Alright, so this was on the right. So it's going on the left. And it's in. And this has a little tweak on this pin. Just give it a little push. Have a look-see. Make sure the witness mark is fine. Make sure it's lined up properly. Push just gently to the side. And pop it in. And why am I changing these two chips? Well, I don't know if either one of them is really good. But both of them came out of the BBBBS PET. That was the Bradley Brothers bulletin board system, which the thing says dead. So I don't know what chips are good and what chips are not good, but they're the only things that I added to the equation. And mind you, through the burn-in process, who knows? So, they're switched. I just want to see if it does anything different. Oh yes, I have the video connected. I want to see if it looks anything different than what it did before. And does it essentially do much of anything different? Well, now I'm getting nothing on the keyboard. And hang on, it does look a little bit different than what it was. Now, does this mean either of these chips are good or bad or anything? I don't know. But it certainly didn't make it any better to swap them. So I'm going to turn it back off, because I always only like to do one thing at a time so I can really tell what is what. I will gently give them a little bit of a pry, and I will pull them out, and I will double check that in fact I have not done any damage and that the pins are okay. And everything looks okay. So we'll reverse them back to the way they were. Making sure the witness mark is fine. Alright. Gentle but firm push to the side. Do I have them all in? They do seem to be in. Okay. We're lined up. The final push. And I'll do that again. Gentle push to the side. In. So they're in. I'll turn this back on, and we will see. That things look going up, going up, going up, remarkably much as they just were, which is not exactly as they were, before I started this operation. But nothing has changed, essentially. So, once again, do I know if either of these chips are bad? I don't. Do I know if there's anything with them? I don't. But they're in, and just looking, all the pins are in. So, I'm going to turn it off, and I will ponder my next move. So if you have any comments or questions or advice, please, it would be most appreciated at this time. I think I might think about the, what I think is the character ROM chip. But I need to ponder and read a little bit more here and there. So, thanks for coming. Bye for now.